In this demo, we will show how to save a custom single-element transducer setup using the Olympus 38DL Plus thickness gauge. The exact key presses would be different if you were using a different model Olympus thickness gauge, but the overall process would be the same. This demo is a generic how-to video and is not specific to any one application. One of the great features of Olympus thickness gauges is the ability to store custom transducer setups. These setups can then be uploaded to GageView and then transferred to other Olympus 38DL Plus thickness gauges. After you solve a difficult application by making internal adjustments to the default transducer setup, you should save the setup. This way, the customer does not have to make these internal adjustments every time they want to use the instrument. Instead, they can simply recall the saved custom transducer setup. After you've solved the application and calibrated the instrument, it's time to save the transducer setup. To do this, press the XDCR recall key. Now, with the active setup highlighted, press the Save/Send key. This will bring you to the Save Setup screen. Here, you will notice that Save As is highlighted and a virtual keypad appears on screen. You can now use the keypad on screen to enter in a name for the custom transducer setup. Use the arrow keys to highlight a character, then press the Enter key to input the character into the Save As line. As you input characters, the existing setup name will start to be overwritten. We typically recommend entering the material being measured, followed by the transducer that is being used. Since this is a generic how-to video, we will name the custom setup Material-XDCR. Once you have finished entering the name of the custom transducer setup, use the arrow keys to highlight the right arrow, then keep pressing the Enter key until the last character on the Save As line is highlighted, then use the arrow keys to highlight the word Delete, and then keep pressing the Enter key to delete any unwanted characters. Next, use the arrow keys to highlight Done in the center of the keypad, and then press the Enter key on the instrument. Now, the Save To line will be highlighted, and you can choose where to save the custom transducer setup. Use the arrow keys to highlight an available SE-user setup number. Then press the Enter key so Save is highlighted. Then press the Enter key again. The active screen showing all the setup parameters will now be displayed. From here, you can press the red Measure key to return to the measurement screen. To recall this saved setup, press the XDCR recall key to highlight Custom Single Element, and then press the Enter key. Use the arrow key to highlight the name of the custom transducer setup. Once highlighted, press the red Measure key to recall the custom transducer setup.